Welcome to ThinkViL educational videos. In this video, we will learn rectilinear motion and one-dimensional motion, covering their theory, key concepts, important formulas, and practice questions. First, let's understand, what is rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion, also known as linear motion, is a specific type of one-dimensional motion where an object moves along a straight line. This motion can be uniform, with constant velocity, or non-uniform, with variable velocity. Rectilinear motion ThinkViL simulation is based on the concept of rectilinear motion. Now, what is one-dimensional motion? One-dimensional motion refers to the movement of an object along a single axis, either forward or backward, up or down, without any deviation into other dimensions. For example, the motion of a car on a straight road or the motion of a freely falling body. Let's understand some key terms, such as displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Now, what is displacement? The displacement is the shortest distance between an object's initial and final positions, considering direction. It tells us how far and in which direction an object has moved. Here, displacement is represented by s in scalar form or s vector in vector form, which indicating that it is a vector quantity. Now, what is velocity? It is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. It describes how fast an object moves in a specific direction. Here, velocity is represented by v or u in scalar form or v vector or u vector in vector form, which indicating that it is a vector quantity. Now we can write velocity in mathematical form, v equal to displacement upon time or s upon t in scalar notation, or v vector equal to s vector upon t in vector notation. Now, what is acceleration? It is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. It describes how quickly an object's velocity changes. Here, acceleration is represented by a in scalar form or a vector in vector form, which indicating that it is a vector quantity. Now, here we can write acceleration in mathematical form, a equal to velocity upon time or v upon t in scalar notation, or a vector equal to v vector upon t in vector notation. Now, we will understand the equations of kinematics. If an object has an initial velocity u and acceleration a, then its final velocity v and displacement s after time t can be determined using these equations. V equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Let's understand this with an example. A person starts skating with a speed of 10 meters per second and an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. After 5 seconds, what will be their final velocity and displacement? Let's first visualize the question in rectilinear motion ThinkViL simulation. For access the simulation, visit www.thinkvil.com. Now, open the simulation. You will see this layout. This is the observer. From the input section, provide the velocity and acceleration to the observer. Now start the simulation. After 5 seconds, pause the simulation. Now, note the displacement and current velocity of the observer. Let's now understand this using the equations of kinematics. To find the final velocity and displacement, use the following equations. After calculations, you will get the same answer. Thanks for watching the video. For access more educational resources, visit www.thinkvil.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more updates.